Hey guys, John here. So before we get started, I just want to let you know I'm dubbing over this. As it turns out, keeping your mic on the other side of the room doesn't do picking up your voice any favours. Here I have the Dominator exhaust and I believe it's the GP1 style. I'm going with this as I love the sound of it, and as I'm doing up the bike, why wouldn't I bring the sound out of the 20th century and into the 21st century. Also, I'm going to do a little before and after so we can hear the difference between the exhausts. And at the end, I'll do a direct comparison. This is what I'm currently running and how it sounds. Now don't get me wrong, this is nice, but just wait.
Don't pinch your hand.
I'm going to quickly just do a test without anything attached. I want to hear what this thing sounds like. Absolutely raw.
Holy cow, okay.
Now we got it all put back together. Let's get it fired up.
Like that, it just takes the edge off the bells. I'm telling you this because I don't know if you can hear this or not. That's insane. So nice.
And there you go, that's the exhaust fitted. In real time it took me say 15-ish minutes. It was quite easy to do. A couple of bolts, just make sure everything's sealed up nicely. You do have to rotate the exhaust pipe to make sure it lines up snugly. It all goes in one way. Anyone can do this, to be honest with you. You just need a couple of tools and a bit of patience, and it's well worth the reward.